Dear customers, welcome to visit our factory. I just give you a guide about our factory. This our factory for raw material, the machine body is for casting. You know, this body casting by casting iron steel. After casting, it have to put outside of the workshop and put around 2 years. And to keep the frame and more, standable and no change, after working the next 10 or 20 years. Okay, this is raw material area to storage. You can see. Then now we go to our workshop to show you step by step. Go to our workshop. This is the workshop. Here is the spare parts, spare parts case, spare parts, It's for spare parts. And here is for control cabinet. Control cabinet, you can see. This is for control cabinet. You can see. This is for control cabinet, for spare parts, for electronic parts. And here is for some motor, all of the motor. And here is for shift of the machine, shift of the machine. And here is for machine's body processing. And by machine laser, you can see. This is raw material for steel, for cutting. And here is for also standard. This is standard workshop, step by step. From here, from raw material to make the machine, step by step. And here also is raw material. And here is the machine tool to produce some spare parts, processing spare parts. And here also, you just take a look at our factory workshop and how to process, how to manufacture the machine. This machine tool, and this is CNC machine. Make the hole, and here one by one. You can see one by one. This is machine tool. Is standable, and here for makeup. From this workshop, this is for make up the machine, for makeup machine, make up the machine from spare parts to the machine body. You can see we have so different machinery. You can see, with this is 63 ton, 100 ton. This is 100 ton, and here is also machine makeup workshop. You can see this is 25 ton. This is 160 ton. This is semi-finished product. This is 160, and the small one, 6.3 ton, 6.3 ton. And here also is workshop for machine makeup. And here is the painting area. You can see. You can see this is the painting area. Here. This machine is ready for testing, and we will loading. Loading. Here is for painting. Painting room. And here is for machines testing, and then packaging and loading. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for seeing our video. Thank you.